I'll edit that all out. I just want to get you all in.
That's what she said.
You want to sit? You don't have to eat the whole thing. I just literally just want your full opinion. Honest opinion. I turned it Weight Watchers. Perfect. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, and you are getting me in the raw. I literally just woke up. So, let me place this down. So, lost footage. Apparently, I was not recording my husband's reaction. I was pissed all the way up until I left, and now I'm re-mad because now I'm done editing it. And I was about to upload it. I'm like, I'm not going to leave that ending of me just typing out what happened. So I literally lost great footage. Just the convo alone between me and my husband was awesome, but his reaction was priceless. Now, to be honest, he knew it wasn't like a Hillshire or a Hebrew National, whatever those brands are. But he wasn't sure if it was vegan or not. And at one point he admitted that he liked it. And then, of course, as soon as he found out it was vegan, his taste buds changed. But he did say it would fool anybody. Like, especially if you're, like, transitioning, you would appreciate it. Or if you want your kids to have their own version to take to school because other kids are bringing it, whatever the case may be. He said it would be more than good. Then I took my dinner and I had it at work, and I shared half of one with a coworker who is a big meat eater, and he loved it. His mind was blown. So I like that. I like when I can trick people. It's fun. But he enjoyed it. He loved it even after I told him it was vegan. Now, one thing I did notice that I got gassy, like, sorry, TMI, I got gassy like 30 minutes to an hour afterwards. So I don't know if it was the food or me. I'm gonna see my husband later, so I'm gonna ask him how he was. But then again, he only ate half of one. Maybe I should ask my coworker. I think my coworker ate more than him. So yeah, maybe if you're out there and you eat this Smart Dog, do you get gassy? Let me know. And if you're vegan and you don't want this to be vegetarian, all you would have to do obviously is omit the cheese or use vegan cheese. If you're not doing Weight Watchers, you can use, I would assume you can still use plain as a no flavor, and it wouldn't really matter what type of yogurt, I'm going to assume, because if you're not counting points, then you can really make the dough with any yogurt that you want, I'm assuming, because I just got a recipe idea in my head. I'm gonna have to bring that one back to you guys. I'm curious. A donut using Greek yogurt. Apple fritter. That's coming soon. Sooner than you think. But yeah, so if you're not doing Weight Watchers, use the almond yogurt or coconut yogurt, whatever yogurt you like. And let me know if the dough comes out good. Because I've only made it with fat Greek yogurt because the only points you take in is from the flour, not from the yogurt. The yogurt's 0 points. So that's the only reason why I didn't do vegan yogurt in this dough, because it would make the dough more points. Other than that, it was a great recipe. You can chop these up, fry them up, make beanies and weenies. That would be yummy. So, on that note, the 4 remaining hot dogs that are left in my fridge will not go wasted. And I just hope you like the recipe. I feel like I kind of babbled on. I'm still pissed. It was really great footage. I learned my lesson. That's for sure. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And until next time, my beautiful peeps, bye.